Hi guys, I am Isa, and today I'm going to learn how to create a website using Tailwind CSS. So anyways, I'm just going to create a new file. I'm going to call it website.html. And let me just copy the Tailwind CSS CDN link and paste it. So let me open the website.html. So anyways, the first thing I'm going to do is to write nav. So that nav is going to be our nav bar. So I'm going to give it a class of, let me see, like P10. But yeah, it doesn't show anything since there's nothing in it. So I'm just gonna put a UL. I'm gonna put an LI. So I'm gonna say home and about contact. So now we have that list. So I'm going to say BG purple 700. So anyways, now we have that. So I'm just gonna go to all the LIs and say class inline. So I'm going to copy it and paste it. So now all of them are inline. So I'm also going to add M5. So now there's more spacing in between them. So then I'm going to change the font color. So I'm going to say text white. I'm going to say text Excel. The text is bigger, so I'm gonna copy that text Excel, that text white and text VXL. I'm gonna paste it in all the others. So now it's like that. So now we have a working nav bar. Let's just add a quick hover. So I'm going to say hover text gray. So I'm going to say hover text purple 300. I'm going to hover over it. It turns purple. So I'm just gonna copy it and paste it. So now, if you hover over them, so like that. So anyways, what I'm going to do is add some content. So after this nav, I'm going to add a H1. I'm going to say welcome to ObaSite. And so if I reload it, we have that H1. So I'm gonna say 20. Then we have margin. I'm going to say text center as well. I'm going to say text 5XL. So I'm gonna just change this to M10. So its margin is gonna be reduced all the way down to 10. So anyways, let me just I'm going to add a P. I'm gonna put all of this in the P. So now if I load it, it's like that. You also be R's in the middle of some of them. So anyways, now I'm just going to add a grid. So I'm going to say div. I'm going to give it a class of grid row 2, grid column 2. I'm actually just going to say grid. I think it's going to take grid rows 2 and grid calls 2. So I'm just going to let me just add a div which says 1. In that div, I'm going to have a class of P5 and BG blue 600. I'm going to use 700. I'm just going to say rounded. I'm just going to change it to rounded Excel. So now we have that 1. So if I copy this div, so now I have a working HTML grid. Let's just add a bit of margin between all of them. Let's say M5, for example. So actually, instead of adding margin, I'm just gonna write grid gap 2. I'm gonna say gap 4. So now it has a gap. So now let me just copy this and I'm gonna put this in the first one. And I'm just gonna copy this too, and I'm gonna paste that into the website. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to put that there. So I'm going to put this in here. I'm going to say ObaTech teaches. Let me just go here and write M like 20. And so let me go to this P and give it a class of text center. So in here, I'm going to say text 3XL. And I'm going to say 2XL. I'm going to say text white. I'm I'm going to say text center 2. I'm going to copy all of these. I'm going to copy all of these. I'm going to remove the text to Excel. So now they're like that. So anyways, that's the end of today's tutorial. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe. So bye.